Hi, I'd like to talk to you about 7 mistakes teachers often make when they're transitioning into their own businesses. I'm David Zahn, the teacher's business mentor, and I've made some of these mistakes and I've helped others avoid those mistakes. So let's begin. You don't get to pass by only taking electives or the courses in your major. And what I mean by that is you must be somewhat conversant in everything from sales to marketing to finance to operations, and you must maintain an entrepreneurial mindset. You don't get to double up on any one of those and figure you'll still get a high GPA or get promoted to the next grade because in total your grades were good. No, you must have a grounding in all of those. Point number 2, very much related, you don't get to graduate. While you can master certain subjects, they will continue to repeat. You must continuously upgrade your selling skills, your marketing capacities, your ability to be efficient operationally, etc. There is no end of term. There is no summer vacation when it comes to running a business. It is ongoing, it is iterative, and you must always be improving. Point number 3, you don't have a textbook that you can rely upon for all answers. What you're going to learn is that you can glean insights from others, but it is as much an art as it is a science. And unlike certain math calculations or equations, you can try the same thing over 2 different time periods and you'll get very different results. The textbook is still being written. It does not exist currently. Moving on, not asking questions in class. We all have a tendency to think that we alone, in isolation, have concerns, questions, troubles, etc. It is imperative. Learn from others. Ask others how they have succeeded, and also ask if they're willing to share what mistakes they've made and how they have overcome them. Do your best not to repeat the mistakes of others and to glean from them that which works. Number 5, very much related. We tend to have a tendency to think we have to do it all on our own and we have to do it our way. That's a mistake. It is not cheating to use the best insights you can gather from the work of other people. Don't think of it as cheating because you replicate certain aspects. Now, I would highly recommend you don't mirror someone else's business because then the highest level you'll ever be is a me too, is a mirror of someone else, but they were there first. They've already established their brand as providing that product or service. But it's perfectly acceptable to take the best of what they do and integrate it into your own business. Number 6, you cannot cram for this test. It is going to reappear all the same topics and subjects. Your mindset must always be sharp to being entrepreneurial and take advantage of opportunities. You're going to continuously have to sell and market. You're going to always have to keep an eye on the finances of your business. There is no graduation and there is no getting promoted to the next grade because you passed a particular test. You have to always be on guard to keep improving. Lastly, let's not forget the extracurriculars that often make us the well-rounded people we are. While you can be very dedicated and focused on your business, it is still really critical that you maintain the relationships with family, friends, your own health, sleep, and nutrition. Don't neglect those because you're so into a deep dive in your business. I can share a lot more ideas with you, and I ask that you click on the link below in the comments to schedule a meeting when we can delve more deeply into your business dream and idea and make it a reality. Look forward to seeing you then. Thanks.